Everyone wants to live young and long. Do you want also? So then please watch this video till end. What is yoga? Yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root word yuj. Yuj means to join or to unite. Practice of yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness. Perfect harmony between the mind and the body, man and nature. You are hungry and you are trying to be united with food. When we see luscious food, water comes into our mouth. This is the simple definition of yoga. You are lethargic and you are trying to be united with bread. This is also yoga. According to Maharshi Patanjali, the 8 limbs of yoga are Jama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dhyana, Dharana, Samadhi. This is called Ashtanga Yoga. Jama is of 5 types: Satya, Ahimsa, Brahmacharya, Asteya, Aparigraha. Trikala Avadhi Tattva iti Satya means which is true in past, future and present is called Satya. The only truth is self-knowledge, that is Swarup Gyan. Right use of energy, a higher state of consciousness is Brahmacharya. Non-stealing is called as Asteya. Non-greed is called as Aparigraha. Ahimsa or non-violence means not to hurt anyone physically nor in mental level. After Jama, there are 5 types of Niyama: Saucha, Santosha, Tapaha, Swadhyaya, Ishwar Pranidhani. Saucha or purification. Purification of the body and mind are specified in the Yoga Sutra as a necessary step in detaching from the physical world. Santosh, contentment, a practice of expressing gratitude, can help us feel better about the good things we do have in our lives. Tapas might be observed through the daily practice of posture or meditation, which require self-control to maintain. Friction between mind and intellect is tapas. Mind is always roaming here and there. Swadhyaya is sometimes translated as self-study, Swa Adhyayan, to contemplate where our life is going. Ishwar Pranidhan, dedicated to God or Master. Legs are in matters in the world, but mind is immersed in higher consciousness. Let's practice 4 asanas that make you young. Dhanurasana. It stretches the abdominal muscle and improves the digestion. It adds greater flexibility to the back, stimulates the reproductive organs. It relieves menstrual discomfort. Second one is Sarvangasana. It supports hypertension treatment. This position aids in the reduction of high blood pressure and it boosts the brain function. Sarvangasana activates throat chakra. This asana helps in excretion of the happiness hormone, that is dopamine and cortisol. From diabetes to thyroid, this asana has numerous health benefits. Next asana is down dog pose or Parvatasana. This is very much beneficial in hair problem. Matsyasan, fish pose. This fish pose, Matsyasan, make you live young and long. In this pose, keep concentrate on each chakras, starting from Muladhara chakra to Swadhisthana chakra. Remembering the chakras, activate your chakras and make your body toxic free. Benefit of this fish pose asana is beyond your imagination. We should practice this sincerely. After asana, there is pranayam, pratyahar, dhyan, dharana, samadhi. The aim of every yoga is to activate the energy center or chakra present in our body. Sahasrara chakra, that is present at the frontal. Agnya chakra, in between 2 eyebrows. Vishuddha chakra, the throat center. Anahata Chakra, the heart center. Manipura Chakra, the navel center. Swadhisthana Chakra, the genital center. Muladhara Chakra, the anus center. Frontanel is the place of formless God, a higher consciousness state. Third eye, in between the two eyebrows, that is pineal gland. Throat center, the knowledge center. Heart center, the center of emotion. Manipura Chakra, the center of food. Genital center. Then the anus center, the center for money.